How to turn off Facebook memories. Open Facebook app. Tap Menu button. Tap Memories button. Tap Settings button. If you want to mute notifications from Facebook Moments, then choose None. If you like Facebook Memories, but you don't enjoy being reminded about your time with a specific person, you can exclude them from any memories in which they are tagged. Tap People. Start typing a name of a person. Tap the person that you want to exclude. Let's see how you can find memories settings when you are on a PC. Click Menu button. Click Memories. Here you can find all of the memories settings.
Thanks for watching. You can find more video tutorials in wlearn YouTube channel.